In this video, I'll show you how to create org charts in Confluence. So here we are on our Confluence dashboard, and the first thing we need to do is go to Apps on the left-hand side of the screen. Then we're going to click on Explore More Apps, and on the right, here's what I'm actually looking for, but we'll search for draw.io. I'm going to just click on it because it's right here. And then we're going to go to the top right and click on Try It for Free. I'm going to leave it on the Advanced Edition, and then I'm going to click on Review and then Start Free Trial and give it a few minutes and it will be installed. Now we just want to open up our Confluence page. So I'm going back to For You on the left, and I'll just open up this untitled draft. Then we want to click on our page and type in /draw, and it should pop up. And we want to use draw.io diagram. Now this one can take a little while to load up, but once it does, you'll be presented with this screen where you should name your diagram. And then for an org chart, all you want to do is go to Charts. And here we have about 4 options for org charts. I'm going to choose this one here. And now we can fully customize our org charts on the left-hand side here, but I want to click on individual things and edit them. So I can change their colors, opacity, and so forth, what they say inside. We can move certain bubbles. We can add new bubbles. We can move our arrows, delete certain bubbles. So we have tons of creative options here. When you're done, just hit publish. And that's all I've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.